Once upon a time, a lone elephant entered a strange forest. This was new to her, and she was looking to make friends. She approached a monkey and said, "Hello, monkey. Would you like to be my friend?" The monkey said, "You're too big to swing like me, so I can't be your friend." The elephant then went to a rabbit and asked the same question. The rabbit said, "You're too big to fit my bill, so I can't be your friend." The elephant also went to the frog in the pond and asked the same question. The frog replied, "You are too heavy to jump as high as me, so I cannot be your friend." The elephant was really sad because she could not make friends. Then, one day, he saw all the animals running towards the forest, and he asked a bear what the fuss was about. The bear said, "The lion is out in the open. They are running from it to protect themselves." The elephant went to the lion and said, "Please don't hurt these innocent people. Please leave them alone." The lion scoffed and asked the elephant to go aside. Then the elephant got angry and pushed the lion with all his might, injuring it. All the other animals slowly came out and started rejoicing at the defeat of the lion. They went to the elephant and told him, "You're the perfect size to be our friend." Moral of the story: a person's size does not determine their worth.